Today, I'm going to show you how to delete your QuickBooks account safely in 2026. QuickBooks accounts are connected to your Intuit account, so deleting your data can affect other Intuit products connected to the same login. Before you continue, download any important reports, invoices, tax records, or company information you may need later. Once your Intuit data is deleted, Intuit says it cannot be recovered. To start, sign in to your QuickBooks or Intuit account. From QuickBooks Online, click your profile icon and choose Manage Your Intuit Account. This opens your Intuit Account Manager. In the left side menu, click Data Privacy. From there, choose Delete. Then click Make a Delete Request or continue next to the option to delete your Intuit data. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your identity and submit the request. Intuit says delete requests can take up to 90 days to complete. During that time, do not create a new Intuit account using the same email address because the new data may also be deleted. After submitting the request, check your email for confirmation from Intuit. If that doesn't work for you, there are other techniques you can use that are also on the page shown above. And that's how to delete your QuickBooks account safely in 2026.